Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we have today, you see the orange old school box. This is the Air Max 98 Desert Camo. Now, I don't know how y'all feel about the 98s, but we about to get into it. Plain white paper, that's not what we're here for, though. Here it is, the Air Max 98 Desert Camo. Now, the camouflage train it done took a chill pill a little bit, you know what I mean? It ain't been as bad as it has been in the past, but I think this one dope, man. I'm really feeling this one, man. You know, I think this one is real dope, man. It's something like on that, what it was, the Supreme Jordan 5, you know, level. You know what I'm saying? So, let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. You feeling it? You not? Gonna pass? As you can see, the outsole plain. Like I say, man, I think it's dope. I think it's fire, man. It's a different little touch. You know what I'm saying? It looks like, to me, like this colorway, this camo, goes with this silhouette. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I like it. You know, it's a nice combo. As you can see, your pull strip on the back with your 3M stripe on it. There's your swoosh on the back heel. Dope. I'm feeling it, man. There's your medial side. Pretty plain. Got your little hit of suede on it. Y'all already know about the 98s, man, so not really too much that I need to say. You know, so we just gonna continue to take a look at it, man, and, you know, try to find out what y'all think about them, man. You know, like I said, I think they fire. I think they dope. I'm feeling them. You know what I mean? Now, both of the shoes are identical. As we take a look at the other shoe, you know, I don't have no complaints about this one, man. And I'm not even the type to go for a camouflage sneaker. You know what I'm saying? I'm very picky, as you all should already know from watching my videos. You know, but I never been the type to gravitate towards a camouflage shoe. You know what I mean? It never was my style, but this one, I'm feeling it, man. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think, man. The Air Max 98, what did I just say? The Air Max 98 Desert Camo. I think it's dope. Let me know what y'all think, man. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram at PetLazab504. Follow the YouTube channel, man. Turn your notifications on. Go check out the website. I'm going to leave a link in the description, and I'm going to holler back.